Dear students, today we will start the nucleophilic substitution reactions that is taking place in case of aryl halides. That is nucleophilic substitution reactions. So before going to that, we have to explain that is regarding that allotrophilic substitution reactions. So if the first one, that is allotrophilic substitution reactions. Substitution reactions in haloarenes, that is chlorobenzene. That is allotrophilic substitutions in chlorobenzene. If we will draw the resonating structures for this chlorobenzene, lone pair of phyllogens, that is in conjugation with that of the ring, lone pair, single bond, double, single, double, single, double, single. That is lone pair of phyllogens are in conjugation with that of the ring. Lone pair, single, double, single, double, single, double, single. And therefore, that has the ability to show that resonance. So during resonance, that will increase electron density at the ortho and para positions. Bond, bond, negative charge, double bond Cl plus. Negative charge will be shifted to bond will be shifted to next atom. Negative charge, double bond Cl, that is plus. Again negative charge bond will be shifted to next atom. Negative charge bond, and this bond will shifted to next atom. So these are the resonating structures that is taking place in case of chlorobenzene. So if we will analyze the electron density in the benzene ring, ortho position that acquires negative charge, para position that acquires negative charge, ortho position that acquires negative charge. Therefore, the allotrophiles like Cl plus, NO2 plus, SO3, or that is CH3 plus, CH3, CO plus, etc. They will get directed to at ortho or to the para position. Ortho position or to the para position. But this chlorine atom, in the last class also we have discussed, chlorine atom in the benzene ring, that is orthopara directing but ring deactivating. This is minus I group that will withdraw the electron from the ring. This chlorine atom, that is minus I group, that will withdraw electron from the ring. Therefore, electron density in the ring that will decrease. Therefore, this allotrophile cannot easily attack to the ring, and this chlorine atom will deactivate the benzene ring. So because of this minus I nature of that group, that is halogen, that will withdraw electron from the ring. So electron density in the ring that will decrease. Therefore, these allotrophiles cannot easily attack. Therefore, that is halogens are deactivating. The question is, halogens are orthopara directors but ring deactivators. Because of the presence of that minus I group, but because of resonance, electron density that becomes more at the ortho, para and ortho position. Therefore, allotrophiles like Cl plus, NO2 plus, SO3, CH3 plus, CH3CO plus, etc. will get directed to this ortho and para position. For example, chlorobenzene that has been treated with chlorine in presence of AlCl3, or that is chlorination. In this case, Cl plus will act as allotrophile, or HNO3 in presence of H2SO4 that is NO2 plus will act as electrophile, that is nitration, or H2SO4 SO3 will act as electrophile, that is sulfonation, or we will take CH3Cl in presence of AlCl3, that is CH3 plus will act as electrophile, that is CH3COCl in presence of AlCl3, that gives us CH3CO plus, that will act as electrophile. So this is your chlorination, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. In all these cases, the electrophile Cl plus, NO2 plus, SO3, CH3 plus or CH3CO plus will get directed to ortho and para position, because the electron density that becomes more at ortho and para position, that acquires negative charge. These acquire negative charge. So because of negative charge, these electrophiles will get directed to this position, that is ortho position or to the para position. So the products are Cl, ortho dichlorobenzene, or that is para dichlorobenzene. Or if this NO2 group will get directed to ortho position or to the para position, that is Cl, NO2 and para position, that is Cl, NO2. SO3, that is electrophile during sulfonation, that will get directed to, that is Cl, SO3H, or that is Cl, SO3H at the para position. CH3 plus will get directed to Friedel-Crafts alkylation. CH3 plus will get directed to ortho position and para position. So the fast reaction that is known as chlorination, second one nitration, next one that is sulfonation, and fourth one Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and the last one that is Friedel-Crafts acylation. So in all these cases there is the formation of ortho and para products. Ortho and para products are formed, and this chlorine atom in the benzene that is treated as, that is ortho para directing halogens XF, Cl, Br, I. Halogens, these are the halogens are ortho para directors, but ring deactivators. Ring deactivators. These are the orthopara directors but ring deactivators. We have explained this one. What for that is orthopara director? Because that will increase electron density at ortho and para position. What for that is deactivator? Why this will deactivate the benzene for further electrophilic substitution? Because the presence of minus I group that will withdraw electron from the ring, that will decrease electron density in the ring. Therefore, this electrophile cannot easily attract to the ring. Therefore, that is treated as deactivators. So, from this concept, we have to explain why they have the ability to show, again that is nucleophilic substitution reaction, but under drastic condition. You know, that is in this case the carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. In this case, the carbon atom, that is sp2 hybridize, As characteristic 33.3%, As characteristic, that is 33.3%, and bond length that is equal to 1.68 angstrom. 1.68 angstrom. So in this case, because of resonance, that the development of carbon chlorine double bond character is developed, bond length that has been decreased from 1.8 to, that is 1.68. Actually the carbon chlorine single bond length is 1. But because of development of that double bond character, the bond length that has been decreased to 1.68 angstrom. sp2 hybridize, As characteristic is maximum, that is 33.3%, and we know higher is the S character, higher the penetration power towards nucleus. Therefore, this bond strength of carbon chlorine in this case that becomes more. Hence, this chlorine atom cannot be easily replaced by the nucleophiles. But that will show that nucleophilic substitution. What for? Because this bond will break under drastic condition, but not under normal condition. This bond will break. Under drastic condition, this bond will break and chlorine atom will get replaced by, that is, nucleophiles like NH2 minus, OH minus, etc. So next we will explain regarding that nucleophilic substitution reactions that is taking place in case of, that is, chlorobenzene. Next we will say that is nucleophilic substitution reactions that is taking place in case of, that is, chlorobenzene. As we have discussed, because of resonance, this bonds, and there is the development of carbon chlorine double bond characteristics. So due to resonance, there is the development of carbon chlorine double bond characteristics. Therefore, the bond strength will increase and the chlorine atom cannot be easily replaced by, that is, nucleophiles. And moreover, this chlorine atom at this particular point, that will withdraw electrons towards itself. That will withdraw electron from the ring. So electron density that decreases at this point. Therefore, this point that can be attacked by the nucleophiles like NH2 minus, or that is OH minus, etc. So, but it is a difficult process because of the development of that carbon chlorine double bond character. It is a difficult process. So, how that reaction that takes place? This reaction that takes place under drastic condition or in presence of that strong nucleophile like the amide, alkoxides, all the strong nucleophiles, amide, NNH2, Na plus, NH2 minus, or under drastic conditions we have to apply certain, that is, high pressure, high temperature that is required to break this bond. So normally the chlorine atom cannot be replaced by that nucleophile, but it can be replaced under drastic condition like high temperature and high pressure, or we have to apply the strong base, that is strong nucleophile like amide ion, alkoxide ion, etc. So one by one we will discuss. This is regarding, that is, what for it will attack. Why the nucleophile will attack? Nucleophile will attack to this point. Will attack to this point because electron density that becomes less at this point. Because halogens are minus I groups, electron withdrawing groups. They will withdraw electron from the ring, and electron density that decreases at this point, that acquires positive charge. Therefore, nucleophile that can attack to this point. Then why it is difficult? Because of development of double bond character. So next we will discuss how the reaction that takes place regarding the mechanism of that reaction. So first we will see, that is, nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is Dawes process. Dawes process for manufacture of phenol manufacture phenol from chlorobenzene. Dawes process for the manufacture of phenol from chlorobenzene. For example, chlorobenzene that has been treated with NaOH at 630 Kelvin and 200 atm pressure. Mark the dusty condition. 630 Kelvin. This is the Na plus OH minus. OH minus, that is the nucleophile. OH minus, that treated as nucleophile. So that will attack to this point, and this chlorine atom is replaced by that OH group. But mark the difference in normal condition and this is the dusty condition. Normally this reaction that do not take place because of that resonance, development of double bond character, but because of high temperature and high pressure, the bond will break and the chlorine atom will be replaced by that nucleophile, that is OH minus. So there is the formation of, that is phenol plus NaCl, that is OH minus nucleophile, that will substitute the chlorine. Chlorine atom is replaced by that nucleophile. Mark the difference. This is the dusty condition, 630 Kelvin and 200 atm pressure. Next, we will analyze regarding, that is presence of minus I group, how that affects the rate of that reaction. So the presence of minus I groups in chlorobenzene, that is chlorine, ortho position that contain NO2 group plus NaOH, that is 433 Kelvin. There is the formation of OH, NO2, orthonitrophenol and NaCl. And if we take 2 NO2 group that is defined as minus I group, 2 NO2 group at ortho and para position, NaOH, that is 403 Kelvin. 403 Kelvin, mark the difference. Temperature gradually decreases. Cl is replaced by that OH group. There is the presence of 2 NO2 group. But if we take the case of, that is Cl, all the ortho and para position that is occupied by, that is NO2 group. All the ortho and para position that is occupied by that NO2 group plus NaOH, that is only warm. That the formation of this product, OH, picric acid, that 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol, 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol will form, that is otherwise known as picric acid. So mark the difference in all these 4 reactions, that is carbon chlorine bond strength that becomes more, high temperature and high pressure that is required to carry out that reaction. Chlorine atom is replaced by that nucleophile OH, but the presence of NO2 group, that is minus I group, 1 minus I group, 2 minus I group, 3 minus I groups are there. So the presence of minus I group, that will increase the rate of the reaction. High temperature is not required. That is, whenever there is the presence of 1 NO2 group, the temperature reduces to 632, that is 433 Kelvin. When there is the presence of 2 NO2 group, again temperature that decreases to 403 Kelvin. And whenever there is the presence of NO2 group, 3 NO2 group at ortho and para positions, then only simply by warming the reaction that takes place. Chlorine atom is replaced by, that is OH group. Then what is the effect of minus I group on the nucleophilic substitution reaction in case of chlorobenzene? The presence of minus I group like NO2, presence of minus I group like NO2 will increase the rate of the nucleophilic substitution reactions of aryl halides, that is chlorobenzene. Why? The NO2 group that will withdraw electron from the ring, therefore the nucleophile that can easily attack. Nucleophile that is negative charge, that will attack the electron deficient center. So the NO2 groups will withdraw electron from the ring towards themselves. Therefore, the electron density in the ring that decreases, and the chlorine atom can be easily replaced by that nucleophile. So this is regarding first reaction. We have explained nucleophilic substitution reaction under dusty condition. They will show this reaction. So Dawes process for the manufacture of phenol, and what is the effect of the presence of minus I groups on the rate of that reaction. That is, rate of reaction increases. Rate of, that is hydroxylation, that is Cl atom that is replaced by that OH group. The process goes on increasing whenever there is the presence of more and more number of minus I groups. Next we'll say the other reactions, that is action with sodamide. Next, that is action with sodamide. Sodamide, sodium amide, Na plus, NH2 minus. So this is your chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene reacts sodamide, sodium amide, that is strong base, that is Na plus, NH2 minus. So NH2 minus that is treated as, that is nucleophile. So that will replace this chlorine. So chlorine atom will get replaced by that NH2. That is the formation of that aniline. That is strong base, and 300 Kelvin that is required. Next one, that is action with ammonia. All the examples of that nucleophilic substitution reactions where the chlorine atom will get replaced by that nucleophile. So chlorine atom, chlorobenzene that has been treated with ammonia, copper oxide, 473 Kelvin and 60 atm pressure. Mark the drastic condition, that is 60 atm pressure. This chlorine atom will get replaced by that NH2. So there is the formation of aniline. This is the formula for that aniline. Next one, action with cuprous cyanide. Chlorobenzene that has been treated with cuprous cyanide in presence of pyridine at about 473 Kelvin. So there is the formation of, that is benzonitrile or cyanobenzene, benzonitrile or cyanobenzene. So in all these cases, we will see that the chlorine atom will get replaced by, that is nucleophile like NH2 minus, NH2 minus and Cn minus. So this reaction that takes place under drastic conditions. So dear students, this is the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Mark the effect of substituents, that is NO2 group in Dawes process for the manufacture of that phenol. That is very important. So in the next class we will discuss regarding, that is mechanism of that nucleophilic substitution reaction. Thank you all.